Welcome to the channel, everybody. What we're going to do today is get a little drone action from the catback system. I'm going to do a start up from inside the truck, and then we're going to take a leisurely stroll, some low speeds, and then we're going to jump on the interstate, run around the speed limit or so, and let you hear what it's going to sound like. Just to let everybody know, I roughly put this Magnaflow 19200 exhaust system on. Roughly, it's been a year ago, and currently I have almost 14,000 miles on it. This is the 2500 Ram with the 6.4 Hemi. Of course, I think if you're pulling a trailer or a camper, whatever, I think you are going to have just a little bit more of a drone. Just of course putting a little bit more pressure on the drive line and all that. But if you do like a little drone, this is not bad at all. Hopefully you all can even hear this. If you can't, I guess that answers some questions. have any complaints with the way this thing drives. It will scoop. I do like that about a heavy truck with this motor. If I need to go, it will go. But if y'all like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want. There will be plenty of more coming. I do have an 88 D150, or D100 as I should say, sorry about that. I do have a deadline on it to get it back up and running, painted. It is currently lowered a little bit with the van lower control arms, and yeah, just keep watching to see what comes out next. You all have a good day.